Hi, I'm Romenesko with Miller Electric. Have you ever picked up your MIG gun and found that your machine fails to feed wire properly? This can happen for a couple of different reasons. One of the most common reasons, though, is a plugged or damaged liner inside your MIG gun. Most MIG guns are designed with a replaceable style of liner. Today we're going to talk about troubleshooting some of the common liner issues you may encounter. If you feel you may have a liner issue due to improper feeding, the first thing you'll want to do is disconnect the gun. First, you will need to pull all of your spool of wire out of the gun. Next, unplug the 4-pin control cable from the front panel. Then loosen the power pin inside of the drive compartment, freeing the gun from the drive casting. Be sure to lay the gun in a straight line when servicing your gun. This will make the process much easier and will be critical in cutting your new liner to the correct length. Remove the gun's front end consumables, including the diffuser. You will need a 5/16 wrench to remove the diffuser. You can try blowing out your liner with compressed air. This may remove any obstruction inside your gun liner, eliminating the need for you to change out your liner. Remove the liner by loosening the nut on the power pin end with a wrench. After you remove the nut and unseat the liner, you will want to pull the liner completely out of the gun. Now it's time to install the new liner. Feed the new liner inside the gun, leaving the excess feed right out the end of the gun. New liners need to be cut to an exact length for each individual gun. We will take care of that in just a minute. You'll need to get that wrench out again, and now tighten the new liner at the power pin end. Now we will get back to trimming the end of the liner. You will want to make sure that your MIG gun is still laid out as straight as possible. This will ensure that the liner is cut to the proper length. Now, using a side cutter or welper, cut the monocoil liner off 3/4 of an inch from the end of the head tube. The 3/4 of an inch allows the monocoil to butt up to the diffuser properly once it's reinstalled. Be sure that the cut end of the liner is not deformed at all. This may cause your weld wire to hang up. With the new liner installed, replace the front end consumables of the gun. Start with the diffuser, snug it up with a 5/16 wrench, then replace the contact tip and the nozzle. The last thing to do is connect the MIG gun back into the machine. Start by seating the power pin completely into the drive casting. Remember, shield and gas coverage will be compromised if you don't get it completely seated. Then plug the 4-pin control cable back into the front panel. Finally, thread your weld wire back through the drive rolls and into the gun. So if you're having problems with your MIG machine feeding wire properly, you may want to look at the condition of your MIG gun liner. For more information on MIG welding or maintaining your MIG machine, you can go to millerwelds.com.